Alright guys, what's up? Welcome to the new studio. I moved, so it's maybe why you haven't heard from me in a while, but I'm here. So what I wanted to do was just test out some audio stuff with the Osmo Pocket. I still have it. If you haven't seen my latest videos, check those out. It's been a while. I haven't used this camera in a while, but what I've always wanted to do was improve the overall sound quality. So right now I've got face track on. As you can see, it's sort of following me around, but the audio is all set to auto. So what I've wanted for a really long time but couldn't get my hands on was the audio adapter for the Osmo Pocket. One of the other reasons I didn't or just haven't gotten around to getting it was because it's expensive. So the audio adapter is like 40 bucks. So I tried buying like a generic USB-C style adapter to get a microphone to work with the Osmo Pocket, but it didn't work. So that was like 15 bucks, 10, 15 bucks down the drain. Anyways, this is the official DJI Osmo Pocket audio adapter, and it's not plugged in right now, so the sound that you're getting is just the stock sound from the camera. So I bought that in addition to the Rode Lavalier GO. So this is the Rode Lavalier GO. Basically, this is a wired lav, which I plan to pair with the audio adapter for the DJI Osmo to get some better sound. So I've kind of got the Osmo Pocket just mounted right there, which is over an arm's distance away. It's about an arm and a half away, and this is kind of what it sounds like. So here's the packaging. It's pretty simple. I bought this from BH Photo, so it should be legit. I think there's a bunch of counterfeits that are kind of rampant on Amazon, especially with like Rode products in particular. If you've ever been to Rode's website, they say specifically to watch out for counterfeit stuff on Amazon. So this purchase again was from BH Photo. And again, 40 bucks for a tiny little plastic USB-C to 3.5 millimeter adapter. So I don't know if you can see that. I'm looking at the little tiny screen on the Osmo, but that's the adapter. It's USB-C here on this side and then 3.5 millimeter here. And in regards to the Lavalier GO, this is a standard TRS. So Rode also has a Smart Lav. This is not the Smart Lav. So Smart Lav Plus is designed to be used with smartphones, where it has basically multiple tips on the connector. This is just a TRS, so it's tip ring sleeve, but I'll show you what that means in just a sec. So let's just go ahead and do a quick unboxing, and we'll plug this in. So hopefully by the end of the video, what I want to demonstrate is that the audio is a lot better, especially here in this garage. There's a lot of reverb, there's a lot of stuff bouncing around, it's hard surfaces. I've got a fridge over there, basically a water heater right behind the camera. So lots of ways to mess up your sound. So this is basically what comes in here. It's all kind of contained within this pouch. And inside of here, you got some silica gel. And you've got the lav mic. So the lav mic looks like it's got the clip for mounting, and then you basically have the lav itself with the foam windscreen already all installed. And then again, when it relates to the tips that I was talking about, so this specifically, if you look closely, and it's probably focusing on my face, not here, but this is a tip ring sleeve. So there's only 2 lines. For the Smart Lav Plus, you'll see this will have 3 lines. So this is designed to work with standard cameras and adapters like the DJI Osmo Pocket. So this is going to go basically plug into here like so, and then this is going to go into the bottom of the Osmo Pocket. So let's see if this helps. So I'm just going to take the tie off of here. And I've also thought about investing in the wireless because, again, I hate wires. They just get in the way, and you have issues like dealing with distance in terms of overall distance from the microphone. And you've got this crazy tag on here, which I can't get off right now. You would think would be a little bit easier to take off, but it's not, of course. Makes for great video content. What I'm going to do is just take the clip out of the pocket as well, or a clip out of the bag. And what I'll end up doing is probably cutting some of this down so you don't have to watch me fumble through. And this is like my second lav ever, so forgive me if I don't know what I'm doing with it. All right, well, anyways, let's just do this. For sake of time, I won't pin it on my shirt, but we'll plug it into the pocket and we'll see what happens. Okay, so the first thing I saw in terms of on-camera indication was that there's a microphone attached. So it literally says, it gives you a visual cue, audio connected. I'm not sure if that was the exact words, but more or less that's what it said. All right, so this is about as far as I can possibly get away from the camera. I think this cord is a 4-foot. I believe this is a 4-foot cord. If I'm wrong, I'll correct that in the notes, but I believe we're talking about 4 feet away. So this is where typically you'd have a lav sit. I'm just gonna hold it as still as possible, pretend that it's mounted to my shirt, and you're listening to the sound of the Osmo Pocket with the DJI Osmo audio adapter and the Rode Lavalier GO. So hopefully that sounds a lot better. I don't know what this sounds like. I'll know once I actually play it back and listen to it, but you'll know, and then I'll know, obviously, when I post it, if it sounds any good. I'm hoping that it sounds good. That's the end of this video. A little bit rusty, but what I'll do is sign off, and if you want to watch some more videos, check the back catalog, check the video section. I've got some more Osmo Pocket stuff in there, but I'll add some more stuff in the future once I get all this settled. So hit that subscribe button, hit that like button if this was helpful, and we'll see you in the next one. If you have any questions about this microphone, feel free to ask. I'm typically active in the comment section. And if you want to see any other tests, I'll probably test this Lavalier GO separately with like my Panasonic camera, just because it works again with all of those things other than smartphones. You can buy an adapter for it, which will switch it from a TRS to TRRS. And I might do that as well. So again, stay tuned, hit that subscribe button, and we'll see you in the next one. Later.